Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I just made a video about the parallel dimension tool, but I started thinking about it would actually work. Well, I actually called it a dimension tool. I've got two separate lines, they're not connected. And if you see, if we move the center rotation to here, we can move this in our angular dimension tool, which is actually is right below the parallel dimension tool, is actually going to tell you what that dimension is. If you put this back to 0, it'll go back to 90. If you want to go back the other way, let's go at negative 15 degrees, and then it'll be 75 degrees. It's kind of double checking your math, I guess, or if you just need to follow a line and you don't know what the actual angle is, you can just move it to that. If you have another object, let's say, and you don't know what that object's angle is, you could draw a line here and go, I don't know what that angle is. Well, if you grab your item and click to that, and actually, let's see if we have Snap 2 on. Snap 2 is on, and if we grab kind of that line, it should snap right to that line, and we got 83.12 degrees on that line. And then that way, if you need to change it to whatever, you can change this line, double click, move the rotation of that node. And then if you grab this part where it shows that circle and you get near the line, it should snap. It doesn't seem like it's really doing it. I'm kind of disappointed in that. I know it normally does, even though our line is a little bit off. Well, there's one way to do it, is just to use the shape tool, it'll snap to it. But we ought to be able to do that with the pick tool in the rotation. And I've always had, there we go, it snapped. You just gotta be on this part where it has a circle and get it close to that node at the end, and it'll snap to it. But that way you got 109.6 degrees. Most people probably never use that, but it's really, really handy when you're making angle stuff, and you need to, if you need a precise angle, there's 97, there's 19. It'll show you right here instead of having to look here. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.